How's it going? Today, we're gonna be playing Monkey Place with my friend, Colton, because I just realized that's their YouTube channel. Whatever. Today, we're gonna be playing Monkey Place. It's a really fun game. But what we're gonna focus on today is the horror mode, okay? Okay, we're gonna head down.
The horror mode. I'm scared.
Yeah, these are your first time. Wait, you wanna check out the next spots first? We're going to the next spots first.
No, I've seen this. There's like these monkeys that chase you.
No, it's Obama.
Yeah.
It's your friendly President
It's
Barack Obama here. And Sonic.
Beatbox with a little bit of
What the heck?
yeah.
Obama, please.
Oh, it's Obama!
With a little bit of
I'm gonna die!
Something. I stepped on something.
Bobby, you're out. No, they can't. Look at them. One of them's really scary. Run! Run! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I died. I died. Okay, you gotta die now.
Emerson, come back.
I'm on my way. You gotta die though. We gotta do the horror mode. Bobby, you're out. Oh, what?
Where are you? Emerson, come back. I'm stuck here.
Yeah, I see you. Ah! Run! Help me! I died. I died. Oh, I don't have my camera enabled. 1 second, let me get my camera.
Leave me alone. Where do I?
It's so loud. Let me go enable my camera.
Scary. You're scary, guys.
There's some of them that are scary. Most of them aren't, like Barack Obama and Sonic.
Emerson,
What?
where are you?
I had to get my camera. I'm on my way.
They're targeting me.
Well, yeah, because you're the only one down there. It's Barack Obama! Okay, 3, 2. All of them shut up. Come here, Colton!
It's too late for that.
Come here. Okay, then jump down! I couldn't hear anything. It's weird. Okay, come with me. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna jump. Oh, frick! Okay, jump
I'm
over.
traumatized.
Yeah, it's awesome. Come here. That's not even the horror mode. That's not even the horror mode.
What?
Nope.
Is this horror mode scarier
This is
than
the horror
that?
mode. There's 3 levels. No, definitely not scary. This is way better than Capuchin. Okay, this maze is really easy. Just come here.
Is this more scary than Barack Obama?
No. Probably not.
I'm standing on you.
I see the
heck
monkey.
is that?
I see
What
the
in the
monkey.
freaking chicken licking? What's
Ah!
the monkey doing?
Ah!
I swear, why is this monkey always...
Are you dead?
Where'd you go?
I ran!
Monkey! Oh, get your ankle. No, I died.
I'm on the 2nd level.
I died, Emerson.
I'm on the 2nd level. I'm gonna climb up.
I'm coming back down.
Can I climb back up? I just wanna... Does it look behind you or don't look behind you? I thought I passed it and I was gonna have to do the thing. What?
Where'd you go?
I accidentally hit the... I'm on level 2.
Wait, I'm coming.
You gotta find the white part. The gigantic white hole in existence. And you just gotta climb
These
up.
white monkeys are waiting for me.
Look behind you. I don't want to look behind me though, because I know there's a big scary monkey. Did you beat it yet?
No,
That's my
I'm
camera.
scared. Because they're scary monkeys.
Come on, just come on.
I can't. They're waiting for me.
Okay, I'll die real quick.
Scary.
I did not notice he starts
He's
that
monkey.
close to you. I'm on my way. Come on.
Oh my god, that's crap out of me.
I had
let's
to
go.
die in the second level. Okay, ready? You just jump down. Well, I think we're screwed. 3, 2. You wanna know what you gotta do?
I'm
Colton,
standing
you
on
gotta
you.
drop and run. 3, 2, 1. Go! Are you behind me? Run! Go to the white part!
What's this?
You made it. No, don't run yet. Don't run yet. The thing says look behind you. So get ready to run as fast as you can. For as long as you can. Just run, okay? 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Go! I knew! Turn around!
What?
Look behind you!
No!
This music is goated.
Too late for that. Bro,
Don't
this
you love
music
it?
is awesome.
I know, right?
What's behind me?
Yeah. Oh, I don't see him. Oh, frick. Move! Jump!
What's that thing?
No! Where do you go? No!
Scary monkey got me.
I died.
That's so tiring.
I know. I beat him before, too. Dude, all the things that he destroyed are destroyed, though. Wait, what? No way.
He's a scary monkey.
I know, he is a scary monkey. Okay. So,
Make me run faster.
okay. So, that kind of failed. It's difficult. And I'm not looking entirely at you, but like, I don't know what you expect me to do. Monkey.
Okay, now I'm gonna win. Now I'm gonna.
But like,
now
if I
I'm
back
never
up,
gonna die.
and then I go, ba, 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 huh. Back up. Monkey.
Okay,
Monkey.
Emerson,
Monkey.
now I can never die.
So, if you don't know,
It's impossible
You
for
suck.
me to die now.
monkey, monkey, monkey. Okay, but turn.
Okay, let's go.
Move! I need
go.
you to move. You're in the way of my camera. So, this is pretty difficult. So, let's go. Yeah, I'm back. My camera's right here. So, just watch out. Okay, let's go.
Where? How do you get a camera?
Come on! Come down
I'm
here.
stuck.
Come down
My
here.
big monkey self.
Okay, we're gonna run as fast as we can. This first level's so easy.
Then go. Stinky monkey.
Are you coming? Monkey!
What the heck?
You gotta jump over him. You gotta jump over him. Whee! Okay, this music is goated. You went really far. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
You just blocked me, Dumbo.
I'm ready to better again! Oh my god, this music! This music! I love it! Whoever made this music, you're goated, okay? Just run, just keep going. The thing right here is destroyed, so go.
What the heck? How do you get through there?
Oh, frick, no! No! Monkey!
How do you get through there?
You stupid monkey! No! Ah! I died.
How'd you get through there?
It's so hard. Because there were stairs that you just gotta jump up. And more of my stuff got destroyed, so. Oh, frick. So,
Come
I know
on,
the camera's on
monkey.
vertical. It's kind of messed up. We messed up. Again. That's not that good. There's Colton.
I'm scared.
And there's me. Hi. So, oh, I forgot to use a YouTube channel. One sec. His channel. Oh frick, I'm stuck. His channel's right there, or there.
Right there.
Wherever my marshmallow is pointing, that's where his channel is. Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Woo. Let's just send it. Only way to win is to make sure you don't die.
Little monkey got me.
Yeah, I don't like them. Oh, get juked, you
Okay,
suck!
I'm coming back. I'm back.
I juked him and then ran.
Oh, what the heck? That little monkey was.
What?
Where are you?
Oh, what? I'm in the second level. Why'd you stop talking?
Cause I died by the little monkey.
Stop dying by the little monkeys.
Wait, have you started it yet?
No, I'm trying to climb back up to see if my sound is on for some reason. Yeah, it is. So I had to check.
I'm going.
Have you looked behind you
dead.
yet?
Oh, get juked, little monkey. Oh, God. Get juked again, little monkey.
Are you coming?
Okay,
Come on. Okay. Get ready. You ready? Make sure you look behind you this time so you can see him. Okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Funny run as fast as you can. Go! I love this music, but the start isn't that good.
Oh, God.
There we go. The music gets faster and he gets faster. Run! Run! Ah! Cut.
How do you get through that? Bro, how do you get through that?
No! Monkey! Ah! Kill me!
How do you get through that?
It already broke for me once. He broke it once. Oh,
Wait,
this sucks.
follow me.
1 second. Yeah, this sucks. Where'd you go?
I went into, the thing.
What thing? Inside?
The thing.
Monkey! In here? No, where'd you go?
I gotta put on my McDonald's. Okay, I'm coming out. Okay.
1 second, there's a little spot that you can get in. I think there's a secret cosmetic in here. I got it! It's a tiny crawling monkey. I got a little mini monkey.
Is it?
It's inside.
Emerson.
What?
Huh?
Hi.
Where's the...
Go behind here and then come behind here. And then see, go through there.
Oh, what
and you'll
about
get
it?
it.
Oh, there's the little...
So yeah, there's a little crawling monkey there. Big problem?
My little monkeys.
I've only beaten this once, so kind of a struggle.
Ooh, there's a monkey. I don't like that monkey.
Monkey. I'm crab walking. Oh, I'm stuck.
Emerson, can we not take that way where you have to like go through that?
Where you have to run straight through the thing to survive?
Yeah.
That's the only way to beat
it's
the
like
hormone.
impossible.
I beat it before.
Well, I can't get through there.
It's really hard. You gotta climb up the stairs, is what you gotta do.
There is no stairs. Wait, where are you?
I'm trying to get my color code.
What? I'm already at the horror mode.
You're in the horror mode? Okay, frick. I'm in the mirror.
Well, come on.
Not right now. look at the stuff. I don't.
I already started the second round. Ah, scary monkey, scary monkey, scary monkey. Ah. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. I'm just kidding, I never started, Emerson. Come on.
One
Stop being so
second.
stinky.
I'm trying to do something. I gotta find something to add to my thing.
He's being a stinky.
I want to be J-Man Curly, but I can't.
Come on.
I want to be J-Man Curly. Go in the
I
shop
know.
place. Go in the shop place.
Okay.
One second, I gotta do the double.
Hi.
Let me get. Oh, Frank. Let me get the double
In
knife
here?
glitch. Let me real quick get the double knife glitch and then. Okay, let's go.
How do you do
The
a
thumbnail
double
studio. What is this? I don't know. What is this? Just a little back thing? Suey.
Wait, what?
Suey. I
What's
can't
a
get up. I want to get this. I want to get this banana VR thing.
Your limited options. Valentine's
yeah,
Day. There's nothing there.
One second. I gotta record an outro. Okay. So yeah. We failed to beat the horror. I'm sorry. We'll make a part 2 if this gets. How many likes?
5.
5 likes. Then we'll make a move. You're in the way of my camera.
I don't care. That's the whole point.
Okay, so we'll make a part 2 if we get 5 likes on this video. And this one
I'm
will
blocking
actually beat it. We'll beat it. And if we don't beat it, I'll impale myself with double knives.
No, let me do it with a fork and a knife.
Boom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, and tell me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream.
You know what? I don't like TV anymore.